The two biggest food retailer here in Australia, Coles and Woolworths. In this video, I provide you with a little bit of background information on both of those companies. Hi, I'm Michael and we talk about investing and personal finance. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos like that as well. And a quick disclaimer right at the beginning. This video is not an advice to invest in any of the companies I'm mentioning here, and I do not hold a financial services license. And now let's get right into it. Before we get into the details of both companies, let's look into some interesting facts for both companies. The market capitalization, for example, combined for both companies is almost 70 billion Australian dollars, which is huge. So they are both very big players on the ASX and are both considered blue chip stocks here in Australia. Coles is the smaller one of both of them, and both companies have a very similar footstep. The supermarket business is the largest part of both of the companies. However, they have also both some liquor stores and other parts of the business that brings revenue to the company. Starting with Coles, they operate around 2,500 stores Australian-wide, 900 of which are the supermarkets, 800 liquor stores and around 700 fuel and convenience stores that they run. And looking into one of the last quarter that they reported, which included the time between February and April, they actually increased their sales by around 13%, which is incredible to see. And of course, this was a one-time effect. However, it pushed the already stable company another step forward. And another interesting fact for long-term investors, Coles just had their 50th consecutive quarter with growing sales. Now looking into some key facts. The market cap from Coles is around 22 billion Australian dollar. The PE ratio sits at around 19 and the earnings per share are around 89 cents per year. And the earnings per share are currently at 89 cents per year, which is a little bit more than 5% compared to the current share price. Coles offers also a nice dividend yield, which is around 3.5%. So overall, a really nice investment with some really good numbers over the recent time. And that's what you want to see if you have an investment that you want to hold for long term. Now looking into the numbers from Woolworths. Woolworths is Australia's largest food retailer with more than 3,000 stores Australian-wide. And they also have some other interesting parts in their business. Yes, they have the supermarket, their liquor stores and some other food-related business. However, they also operate some venues in the hospitality industry. The sales growth over the last quarter was up as well, however, not as strong as Coles. And now the numbers for Woolworths. The market cap is around 44 billion Australian dollars. The PE ratio sits at around 18 and we have an earnings per share which sits also at around 5% from the current share market, which is just above $2 per year. The dividend yield for Woolworths is also just a little bit lower. It currently sits at 2.8% per year. So as you can see, the two supermarket giants had a big increase in their sales in recent time. However, this came with an increase in cost as well. It's going to be really interesting to see how they will do over the next couple of months and what the end of financial year results will look like. However, I'm very positive for both stocks. So I feel like they are both really great long-term investment with slow but steady growth. Of course, you can't compare it to the big tech giants. However, it's a great investment, a stable investment, and you will get your growth over time. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye.